Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, it's been about a month again, but still I'm back. This video is going to be about how I do my ombre eyebrows, and if you want to see how I do it, just carry on watching.
Never done a makeup video before, so anyway.
For my ombre eyebrows I use Kat Von D's Roxy Purple, which has got a big dent in it, so I just pile it on the brush, put that down, so hope you can see. Now for some reason the purple's not that pigmented compared to the black, so I have to go in 2 layers. So that's layer 1 done. I look very strange right now. The second eyebrow. This one's definitely going to need 2 layers. So that's just layer 1. Second layer, here we go. And you just basically build it up until you're happy with the colour. Right, here we go. Sometimes I find that this colour you can tap it in. I mean, I know it sounds very weird, but just like tapping it in. Right, so that's the purple done. For the rest of the eyebrow I use Kat Von D's, what's this one called? Oh, Graphite, which is just a black. Any black will do, but I used to have the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. I ended up hating it, so I just use this one now. Here we go. And then you literally use the same black, that's whatever's left on your brush, just use that and just lightly blend it in until you're happy with it. So when I zoom out, it looks beautiful. So yeah, that's how I do my eyebrows. I'm just gonna do the other one quickly, and then I won't look so crazy. helps. And there we go. That is how I do my eyebrows. Thank you for watching how I do my eyebrows. If you want to see how I do my eyeliner, feel free to click on the link below. Thank you, bye!